Omi-maiko Beach is on Lake Biwa, the largest and the oldest lake in Japan between Kyoto and Shiga. It is 670 square kilometers and about 4 million years old. Beach season in Japan is from July to September. Summer is hot and sticky, and this is one of the places to cool down. It has a long stretch of sand and pine trees and a great view of the mountains of Shiga. There are shops and restaurants, but a little bit overpriced. If you can, it's better to bring your own food. Come on, let's take a dip. It's a great way to escape the hot summers of Japan. That's it for today. Until next time, sayonara.